Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install SQLite 3 on Debian 12 operating system. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. Click on activities, then open terminal. It is simple to install. So to install it, we have to run the sudo apt install SQLite 3. This is the command to install. See, SQLite installation is success. See here, it is installed SQLite 3 and version is 3.4.0. Okay, this is the command. Okay, Control L to clear screen. Now connect to SQLite. SQLite 3, then give the database name. So if you give this one, it will create this database. Hit enter. See, installed SQL version is 3.4.0.1. Okay. If you want to verify the list of the databases, give .databases. See, we have only R2Schools database, and this is the path of R2Schools database, home R2Schools, and this is the database name. Okay. Suppose if you want to see tables in this database, give .tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table in this database. Now verify. See, new table is there. Insert data into this table. It is typo. See, we have given primary key, so it won't allow the duplicates in S number column. So we have to give the unique value. So give it. Now verify data. Select star from student. See, we have the 2 rows. So if you want to quit, give the Control Z. If you give ls, see, we have the R2Schools database here. So in this video, we have seen how to install and connect to SQLite 3 on Debian 12 operating system. Then we have seen how to create tables in the database. For more SQLite 3 or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.